Alright, welcome back guys. I just decided to do this video just kind of out of nowhere. I was sitting around at home and realized I should probably do something productive today. So I decided to take off my rain guards, and I want to kind of get started with it first real quick to make sure the process that I want to use works and works well. So I already got the first one off here, but I will show you how to get the rest off. First, I'm going to show you real quick how to get this double-sided tape off of this. This is from the stock rain guards that were on the car. So I already got the first one off. I'm going to show you how to get the tape off. It's a little tricky, but with a little bit of rubbing alcohol, paper towel, and just your fingers, you should be able to get it off, no problem. Alright, so here we have our 3M tape that we want to get off. Now, like if I go out of my fingers, yeah, like you probably get like a decent amount off. But what you want to do is soak it with some rubbing alcohol. Let that sit in a little bit. But then you can pull, and I don't know how well you can see, but I'm picking up this edge lip here. So you could really like get like a good big chunk off of this. Like I just got like 2 big chunks off there. And go at it with the napkin a little bit. And I mean, it's not perfect yet. You got to go over it a few times. But you just need some patience for this. It's really nothing too crazy. I wouldn't take a razor blade to this because then you risk like scratching this or cutting this up here. So we'll just keep going at this a little bit. Get as much off as we can. Alright, so not to bore you with that, I'm going to let that be for now, and I'm going to show you how to take this off. This way now I can just take this one and the other 3 off real quick. So you're going to want to like start from this side. You want to start from like the corner, and you can just with your fingers push up with this, and it'll just start coming, and it'll just pop up. You got that popped up. You can just follow this on down now and just pull. It's not too bad. Obviously the tape is going to get stuck back here, but it's alright. Alright, and that's it. That's all off. All I have to do is get this 3M tape off. So if you're lucky, you get pieces like this that are just kind of peeling right off. And you can kind of like ball it up. See how it's like balling up a little bit? And it kind of just comes right off. This one's coming off way better than that one did. But you're like, rubbing alcohol in your napkin technique is kind of like a last resort. Look at that. That's completely off right there. So that's all you gotta do to get these off. The reason why I'm taking these off is because I honestly don't like the way they sit on the car anymore. I thought they were alright at first, but I'd rather get like the in-channel ones, and you don't need the 3M tape for those. So I'm taking these off, and then I plan on getting the in-channel ones eventually. Make sure those fit well. And that's it. It's just that simple and easy. You could do use fishing line to, like, when you have this in like this, you could use fishing line to kind of help pull it up better. Fishing line or floss, dental floss. It'll help pull it up if it's like really stuck on there. But mine, I kind of did leave them a little open on the edge here, just because I thought I might want to take these off eventually, which I was right. So if you found this helpful, please drop a like, drop a follow. Anything is appreciated, and you'll see more videos coming out in the future.